Hi students, how are you? Today is our maths period. I am J.K. Kumbar sir, K. Bantiya Madhyamik Vidyalaya Naveen Padvel. This is Maths 1. In previous period, we have started the Maths 1 Chapter 4 Financial Planning and meaning of GST. Now we are going to see the next point. If GST in chain means ITC, income ITC, input tax credit and GST payable, that means GST in trading chain. Write down GST in trading chain. That means manufacturer, then wholesaler or distributor, then retailer, and consumer. This is the chain: manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer and consumer. This is on page number 87. Then see the page number 88 and there is on page number 89 input tax credit. Input tax credit means at the time of purchase, tax payable at the time of purchase. GST at the time of purchase means GST at the time of purchase. This is the simple meaning of input tax credit, is in short form ITC. Then output tax credit. Output tax, that is the tax collected at the time of sale. Output tax, tax collected at the time of sale. GST collected at the time of sale. Paid tax at the time of purchase and tax collected at the time of sale. That means GST payable. GST payable is equal to output tax माइनस इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट. मेरे को भी कितना जीएसटी भरने का है, मेरे को जितना गया है उतना माइनस करने का है. और एट द टाइम ऑफ सेल मेरे को टैक्स जो मिल रहा है वो आउटपुट टैक्स, मैंने जो भर दिया है वो इनपुट टैक्स और मिलने वाला आउटपुट टैक्स. आउटपुट टैक्स माइनस इनपुट टैक्स क्रेडिट, दैट इज द जीएसटी पेबल एट द टाइम ऑफ ट्रेडिंग चेन. देयर आर सम एग्जांपल्स सॉल्व इन page number 90. You can see the examples, try to understand yourself. And now here we are going to see the practice set 4.2. Write down this one. Now write first example, practice set 4.2. Example number 1. Chetna store paid total GST of rupees paid total GST rupees 1,500,000 at the time of purchase. At time of purchase means that is input tax, and collected GST rupees 1,22,500, 1,22,500 during 1st of July. During 1st July 2017 to 31st July 2017, find GST payable. Find GST payable by Chetna Store. Solution. Now here we know which is output tax and which is input tax. Chetna Store paid. Paid means this is input tax credit, and here collected means this is output tax credit. Here input tax credit is equal to rupees 1,500,000 and output tax is equal to rupees 1,22,500. Now GST payable by Chetna Stores is equal to output tax minus input tax credit, that is 1,22,500 minus 1,500 is equal to 22,000. Means GST payable by Chetna Store is 22,000. This is the final answer of this example. Now we are going to see the next one. Write down this one and then second example. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit. Enough. Very simple examples are here. Nazma is proprietor of a firm. Nazma is proprietor of a firm registered under GST. Registered under GST. She has paid GST of rupees. She has paid GST rupees 12,500 on purchase and collected. On purchase and collected rupees 14,750. Rupees 14,750 on sale. Means this is output tax and this is input tax. What is amount of ITC? This is first question. what is amount of ITC to be claimed? This is first question. And what is amount of GST payable? What is amount of GST payable? One example and two answers. Solutions. Here our first question is, what is amount of ITC? We know paid tax is input tax credit. Here ITC claimed rupees 12,500 and output tax is equal to rupees 14,750. Now GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit is equal to 14,750 and 12,500. Now write your answer. What is the amount of GST payable? 14,750 minus 12,500, 0, then 0, sorry, 5, 2,250. 14,000 minus 12,000 is 2,000. 750 minus 500 is 250. That means 2,250 is GST payable. This is answer of first question and this is answer of next or second question. Very easy example. Now we are going to see third one. Only 6 examples are in this practice set. Now we are going to see third one. Amir Enterprises purchased chocolates, sauce bottles and paid GST of rupees 3,800. He sold those bottles to Akbari Brothers and collected GST of rupees 4,100. Mayank Food Corner purchased these bottles from Akbari Brothers and paid GST rupees 4,500. Find the amount of GST payable at every stage of trading and hence find payable CGST and SGST. Here write down this example number 3 from textbook. Here I write only given quantities, given values. For first stage, input tax 3,800 and output tax is 4,100. GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit is equal to 4,000 100 minus 3800 is equal to rupees 300. Now find payable CGST and SGST. Now or then CGST is equal to SGST. Central Goods and Service Tax is equal to State Goods and Service Tax is equal to GST upon 2 is equal to 300 upon 2 is equal to rupees 150. This is for first stage. Now for second stage, write down this first stage first, and then we are going to see the second stage. For second stage, input tax credit is 4,100 and output tax credit 4,500. Now GST payable is equal to again output tax minus input tax credit, that is ITC, is equal to 4,500 minus 4,100 is equal to rupees 400. This is for second stage. And then CGST is equal to SGST is equal to GST upon 2. Here GST payable is 400 divided by 2 is equal to rupees 200 is CGST and GST. This is for second stage. There are two stages only, and these are the answer of first and second stage. Write down this one, very easy example. And now next example. Write first example from textbook. Write first example from textbook. Example number 4. What is given? Read first. Malik Gas Agency, Chandigarh, your territory, purchased some gas cylinders for industrial use for rupees 24,500 and sold them to the local customer rupees 26,500, means 2,000 more price. Find the GST to be paid at the rate of 5% and hence the CGST and UTGST to be paid for this transaction. For Union Territories there is UTGST instead of SGST. Here in first trading the price of cylinder is 24,500 and rate of GST is 5%, and he sold to the customer rupees 26,500, same rate of GST 5%. We have to find GST payable and SGST and UTST. Malik Gas Agency purchased some gas cylinder for industrial use for rupees 24,500. Price of cylinder is rupees 24,500 and he sold to customer for rupees 26,500. Rate of GST is equal to 5%. What is additional value? GST for first stage is equal to 24,500 into 5/100. 5% means 5/100. Double zero gets cancelled. 5 5s are 25. Carry on 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 22. Carry on 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Rupees 1,224. 1,225. Now GST for second stage. GST for second stage 26,500 into 5/100. Again double zero gets cancelled and 5 5s are 25. This is 1,325. 1,325. Now this is called as ITC and this is called as output tax, and therefore GST payable is equal to output tax minus input tax credit is equal to 1,325 minus 1,225 is equal to rupees only 100. See here, 1,325 minus 1,225, that is rupees 100 only. And now you ask here CGST and UTGST, then CGST is equal to UTGST is equal to GST upon 2 is equal to rupees 100 upon 2 is equal to rupees 50 only. This is very simple example. There are only 6 examples. This is 4th example. Remember only 2 examples. You try to solve yourself, and remaining portion is omitted for this year. And now this is the last point, or this is the last topic for this semester. Means this is the last chapter, that is 4th chapter financial planning, and the first semester chapter 1, chapter 2, 3 and 4 for syllabus for first semester, and for maths 2, 1 to 4 chapter for first semester. That means our syllabus of first semester is over. Now in next video we will see syllabus for second semester. Before that we will take the revision for first semester in next day. Okay, thank you.